say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get there with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart be more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you.
All right, let's try this
And that
again.
cross couldn't break you.
Welcome in, welcome
Yeah, the
in.
darkness couldn't take you.
Good morning.
Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my
Recording in
shame.
progress.
Glory to the Father. 'Cause you deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father.
All right, welcome
You
in.
deserve the praise.
Welcome in, everyone.
Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve
Let's
the
get it.
praise.
Happy Friday.
Lead me to
Friday.
your altar. Wash away my
Let's
shame.
try this again. Let's try it again. Looks like the stream is looking like it's in excellent condition today. Excellent condition. No storm, clear skies, gold's flying, and the stream condition is looking good. Looking good, man. Welcome in. Missed you guys yesterday. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. How's everybody doing? How's everyone doing? What up? Stephen B is in the house, man. That guy's everywhere. What's up, Travis? What up, YOLO Trader? Good morning, Vibes. Only Bands in the house. What up, Only Bands? What up, Bear Billa? Bear Billa. Richard Lewis. What's up? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. First Timothy this morning. Beautiful, beautiful. What up, Engineer 14, Mr. Hart? Josh is in the house. What up, Josh? What up, Zipper? Wokie's in the building. What up, Wokie? What up, J Mac? Good morning. What's up, Dropout Trader? All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Let's get the Zoom link out. 1 sec. How you guys feeling? How'd you guys do yesterday? Zoom link. All right, cool. All right, Zoomers, we're good. Zoom link's out. Let's do this. Boom. All right, I think we're good. Let me share my screen. What's up, Connor FX? Good morning, Buzz Blab. What's goody? What's goody? What's up, Muhammad? Shelly in the building. What up, Shelly? What up, what up? What's good? What up, Wags? Good morning, Wags. George Poe in the building. All right. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. It's time to get started. What up, Zoomers? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? How you guys doing? Long time no see. Long time no see. Big LeGrand in the building. All right. All All right, let me grab these. Tools are good. And let's begin the day, ladies and gentlemen. So again, welcome in. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm going to pray real quick, and then we're going to get started. Father in heaven, Lord, we thank you that we can come to you and pray, Lord. We thank that we can gather in your name, Lord. We know that you are blessing our land, Lord. We thank you for giving it to us. We thank you that when two or more are gathered in your name, Lord, that you are there. So we thank you for your presence here today. We thank you for blessing us this entire month, Lord, and we give you all the glory for all the good things as we know that they come from above, Lord. We thank you. I pray you bless your people as they come in and out today, and we give you all the glory in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen, amen. Let's go ahead and rock and roll. Let's get the party started. Again, today is Friday. It is September 20th. It is another day, another opportunity for us to be patient and disciplined and professionals here at the desk. I mean, gold is rallying. You are looking at a wild animal, an animal on the loose. Animal on the loose here today. So we're going to be careful. We're going to be patient. We're going to just observe. And if the right opportunities arise, then we'll go ahead and take some trades here. All right. So I don't see much in the headlines for us here today. So not much going down in the news. It should be a pretty straightforward day. We'll follow price action, and we'll see where that brings us. All right. Cool. So let's go ahead. Speaking of price action, let's go ahead and jump into the charts. If you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. Good morning, Travis. Good morning, Diogo. What's up, all my Zoomers? The Zoomers are zooming in. Give the stream a like, gang, and let's go ahead and open up the charts, and let's do a fresh top-down analysis here. All right, let's start on the daily and see what we can plan here today. When we look at the daily here, we see that we have just, and I mean just came out the gate swinging. So this is our current daily candle here. This was our previous all-time highs, and we have officially smoked those highs. We've barely created a bottom wick on this daily candle and have just been on an absolute tear. So daily candle has pumped here on this lovely Friday. It looks like we have already moved, excuse my voice here today, 257 pips. Holy. So yeah, we've moved quite a bit at this point, right? We have no targets to the left, so we're gonna have to go, strictly off of what we got here. So let's go ahead and open up the 4 hour. Let's see what this daily candle consists of, so that way we can kind of plan the session here today. So looks like the 4 hour time frame has created support, right? So we created a nice little support here. Excuse me, created a nice support. You had this wick here to fill. So as we approach this wick fill, these candles are just moving up here, right? No bottom wick, very little to no bottom wick, very little, or actually no bottom wick there. So candles have just been rallying. Was looking to get a shot at the open of this candle, but man, this thing just juiced up. So let's go ahead and see what we got going on in the 1 hour here. See if we can find some ranges, 30-minute time frame. So 1 hour created a support as well. As you can see, you've pushed off of that here. I think we've had quite the ride here so far today. So what I'm going to be looking for is pretty simple. You've got a 30-minute support right here. You get a closure below it. I like sells. You remain above it. I'm going to continue to stay bullish here today. So meaning if you drive down here, right, and you close above this range, like you don't close below it, I'm not going to touch these sells at all here today. If we do get a support planted above there, then I will be looking to continue the long bias here and retest this resistance, fill that range, and all that good stuff. If we don't do that, right, and then we end up just closing bearish below, then I'm going to be looking to short gold here, as we'll have clean range coming down into that next support zone. So that's what I'm going to do here today. Pretty simple day at this point. Just gotta really be patient on these sells. Yeah. So I'm gonna look for sells below 26.31 here, and then potential buys, you know, if you close back above here. No targets, just into no man's land. Into no man's land. Forgive my voice, I've been talking all week long, all day, every day. Yeah. All right, that's it. That's the day. So pretty clean move to the downside if we can get it. Again, want to be very patient with these sells. Do not want to get sniped here. So that is it. That is the day. That's the day, Stephen B. Yes, sir. Any questions, comments? What up, Mr. BTC? Yo, what up here, Magnifico? What up, what up, what up, AJ? 3 and Stephen B is back and he is awake and he is ready to go. This man is everywhere. Everywhere I'm at, I look around, boom, there he is. Hungry. Hungry. What up, Xander? What's good, what's good? So yeah, that's pretty much the day here. We don't have much targets to the left. Actually, we have 0 targets to the left. So when it comes to buys, it gets a bit tough. If we can come down, we could take our buys, you know, from the bottom of the range here. But yeah, closures above get a bit tough. Yo, what's up, Juan? What's good? What's good? Taker lifestyle. What's goody? What's goody? What'd you guys do in London session? Anything good? Anything good? What did we do? We took these buys here. So we took a buy. Wanted to get the buy here, but got very little bottom wick there, so ended up taking these buys here, close full, and then after that, I don't think anyone else really took it but me, and that was the fade. But this fade did not work out well. Where was it? I think it might have been here. Yeah, what time was that? Yeah, I think it might have been here. So 1 win, 1 loss for me in London. What'd you guys do? Anything good? Let's check charts for stream here. One BE, nice. Did anybody see gold when it just ripped? This candle right here, 2 a.m. Pre-London just ripped. Yeah, we couldn't get in there due to that no wick, so ended up settling for this move right here. Yeah. All right, let's take a look at charts for stream, and let's see what we got. All right, let's take a look at this one. All right, enter 9:15 for the fade. Oanda chart said 4 hour did this. Okay, top 1 chart 4 hour didn't do its job. Entry, I think I'm done using Oanda. Oh man. Yeah, nice trade. Yeah, this is good. So you had your fake out, closure below, wick to fill, lots of volume coming back into this consolidation zone. Yeah, great job. I like that trade. Very good trade. Let's take a look at this one here. So entered on the breakout for buys around 8:50. Okay, 15-minute due to the 9 a.m. 4 hour. Okay. Notice the candles are moving down slowly, not making any moves at 9. All right. Lately, Since Nas, all right. Oh, this is NASDAQ. Okay. Instead of exiting when the market slows down. Okay, watch the side. 930. Okay, cool. Yeah, Nas is a wild beast at 930. This was the other day, right? Or if it wasn't, the same exact thing happened the other day. Yeah, I would stay away from Nas entries at 930. Yeah. Music loud? Let me see. There we go. Let's lower it a bit. Yeah. 930, I'm going to stay away from Nas. Alright, let's see what this one is. Oh, there's no... Okay, here. Price is pushing up and broke, closed above the range. Alright, let's take a look. Closed above resistance. That's where on the left-hand side previous highs were. Okay. Price tapped into the move. 10 pips in profit. Alright. 15 had closed. 3 minutes, then I moved stops to break even, took me out. Okay, yeah, no biggie. No biggie, break even, all good. I think price just continued ripping up there. Yeah, I think price just continued ripping. All right, music on Zoom. Hey, I forgot how to stream. Damn, one day out the game and boom, just completely forget what to do. 15-minute fade. Let's take a look at this one. So 15-minute fade as the previous 4-hour close with no top wick and price was at a 4-hour strong. Yeah, you can't stop the bull here today. Yup. This was today or yesterday? Oh yeah, this was yesterday. My bad. Yeah, this was yesterday. I was in that trade too. Yeah. Yeah, if you guys got any charts you want us to review, just send it over to charts for stream and we'll take a look. Oh yeah, pushing back up. Yes, sir. You don't want to fade here today. You do not want to fade it. That's why I'm not taking sells until we get below here. Or if we get a new, like let's say now you get a new range here, right? Then I wouldn't mind taking them below here. But definitely waiting for closures below support. I'm not going to try and fade anything here today. Especially to the downside. Maybe to the upside. But not to the downside. Staying away from gold? Yo, Buzz Blab. What's the plan? Just stay away. Yeah, man. Someone in the Discord keeps saying like gold is it's like an all-time high magnet. Just keeps breaking highs. Yeah, I will take buys. Yeah. I will take buys, but not at the top of any ranges. I would need like some sort of a pullback. Like buys here look really good. This is what I would have liked to take right here. Buy on the break of that high at the bottom of the range to retest the highs. What up, SG80? What's good? How'd you guys do yesterday? Any good? Yeah, we had a huge storm yesterday. Massive storm, man. I don't know if that had anything to do with the YouTube, but my power went out, internet went out, all that. All that. Save the capital. There you go. Save the capital there on gold. Let's take a look at NAS here today as well. Let's see what we're doing. So it looks like NASDAQ daily candle closed bullish. So a pretty strong bullish closure there. We closed right in this area of resistance, which is fine. We could still move up, but just keep in mind that there is daily resistance there. 4 hours been pushing down quite a bit here. Previous 4 hour candle closed with no bottom wick. So if you actually get a support here, this doesn't look too bad for the afternoon to begin to flip bullish on the daily and fill that wick actually. So yeah, that could be the possibility here. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is coming into the zone, potential fake out, so that looks pretty good. 30 minute, yeah, 1 hour looks clean here, man. Really clean. You got resistance here. You close back above there. I like these buys. Actually, I love these buys here. So that's what I look for at NASDAQ. I'll return to this chart around 9:45 and then see what's good. Yeah, you probably won't see me take any trades on the NASDAQ before the open. But all in all, looks pretty good. I would expect a fake out here though, especially with that previous 4 hour closing with no wick. Potential fake outs and then closures above here look pretty good. Yeah, still plenty of room for sells, but I wouldn't do them here with that 4 hour note with no wick on a bullish day here. Looks good though. Looking good. My internet is perfect. Let's go. I like perfect. What's up, AV Mike? What's goody? All the heavy hitters are pouring into the clubhouse. Such a good London session, man. Such a good London. Really good session. One L in Asian, no biggie, no biggie. Does the length of time it takes to break support matter? What do you mean by that? Oh damn, I gotta catch up here. My bad. My bad. Yeah, there was something that happened around the world, I believe, right? That's pushing gold up. Some sort of attack, or was that what happened? Let's go, Stephen B. I told you, it just takes a little bit of time. Just a little time and you'll adapt. You'll be a savage in no time. It takes 5 15-minute candles, or say just one. Not really. It just all depends. So the difference between that and 5 and then just 1 or 2 is just going to be the amount of volume in the market. So I would rather see like a push down, right? One strong candle, maybe a bullish closure, like a weaker candle, and then some sort of a close below. Right, that would work perfectly, especially on the 30-minute time frame there, because now you'll have a brand new resistance. You'll have a brand new closure below. So brand new resistance here, brand new closure below, and then you got your clean range coming down. Right, ideally volume coming in and that should work. Yeah, but then again, I really don't want to short gold unless we get all that taken care of. Other than that, this thing's a wild animal. Yo, what's up, Edson? What's good? What's good? If you haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. We're finished up with news. There's no more news here. You know, any red folders today. So you just got a member of the Fed speaking later. That's about it. But yeah, I think this would had something to do with it as well. Bank of Japan. Bank of Japan. Bullish move, more bullish, more bullish. Yup. More and more bullish on gold. Yeah, I see that. Yup. There's a fight going on. Seems like we got a lot of newer people here. A lot of new people here today. Oh, Shafiq, man. 14%, but breached the daily drawdown. Yeah, unfortunately, man, that was the rule. That was one of the rules to the competition. Damn, great job though. Great job. Put up 14%. That's awesome, dude. $14% in less than a week. Sheesh. Sheesh. Who we got on Zoom here today? What's up, everybody? What up, AB Mike? AB Snipe in the house. He's lurking in the chat. He's lurking. I'm watching the man at work. That's what the mods look like at work. She. Yanosh. What up, Yanosh? Yeah, man. Good run, though. Good run. 14%. That's pretty awesome, man. Great trading. Music is awful. What do you want me to do, bro? What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? We ain't here for the music. You want good music? Go to a concert. Go to a concert. Yeah, good work. Hey, we're gonna continue to do more competitions. We're probably gonna do another cash prize comp anyway. So just prepare yourself for that one, man. Yeah, just figure out what you did, how you made your mistakes, and then just prepare for battle again, brother. That's all we could do. I heard Magnus held it down yesterday. He held it down for the squad. What up, JDeezy? Good work, Magnus. Good London session. Good London session. Big W. Did you guys take any trades in the NY session? Like the session that we're usually here for? I don't think I've seen any trades. I might be mistaken. The boys crushed it yesterday? Nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, I heard. Everything worked out so perfect yesterday, man. So perfect. Literally set up the stream. All of a sudden, the stream connection started quaking. All of a sudden, the power goes out. The internet goes out. The rain comes in. I looked at the bed and I said, I think I'm going there. And I just knocked out, man, for like 3 hours. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. Knocked out, downpour, rain just pouring outside. It was exactly what I needed. Praise God. Where can we buy and sell? What do you mean? What's that mean? It was all for me. It was all designed for me. Everything in life happens for us, not to us. Man, I took that as a sign from God. I was like, all right, I'm going to go take a nap. That sounds perfect to me. Woke up, jumped on with the clubhouse around what time? What time was that? That was probably like 10:30, 11. And then we went to work from there. Yo. God shifted the weather around just to knock out the connection. Just to draw my attention to the bed. What's up, Ecom Dre? How are ya? How are you, man? How are you? What up, Sly? What's good? What's good? We're gonna do a chat giveaway. We might be doing a chat giveaway, depending on the chat want to give away enough likes. You know, it's a two-way street. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? So yeah, chat get likey, Nick get givey. Chart's different? Yes, the futures chart, but it should look pretty much the same on Oanda. You know what I mean, Jelly Bean? He said, I got you, bro. I got you. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys liking the stream. Is yesterday's stream up? Let me see. That's a good question. Let's take a look here. Oh, this is us, man. This is us as traders. Hanging out in the high grass. Just waiting for some perfect opportunity to come moseying along our way, right? That's it. That's what we're doing as traders. Just hanging out in the high grass. Stream. Yesterday's stream. Let's take a look. Let's go to the lives. Oh, wow. We got 3,000 views on yesterday's stream. 7 minutes long. Holy. 7 minutes of nada. It was quaking. Yeah, this thing was quaking. It was all glitchy. I'll have to delete it, but I'm gonna like it first. But yeah, I'll have to delete this one. Damn, it was quaking. And we were gone just like that. Good evening from India. Let's go. Good evening. All right, so we got a closure here on the 1 hour. 4 hour candles obviously still open, halfway done. 1 hour closure, you got above the range. All-time highs are sitting right here. There's really, I mean, no place to go. If you break these highs, you should go, but where to is the question. Yeah. Yeah, but we do have a new support now, so we can move this zone up and look for sells potentially below here. Gold is just gonna run up in these all-time highs here potentially, but there's no target there. So not really sure what to target to the left. This is where trading a pair in the all-time highs gets a little difficult, because you can have a perfect setup here, which we do, and not really know what to do with it, right? So can't really do much. Your all-time highs are 4 pips away, and then I have no idea where we go after that. So you could always, if you want these buys, you could always push up and then go BE and then just hope for the best. I think I'd rather wait on buys to target an actual level of resistance, so that way I actually have some plan, right? What would that look like if, let's say, we came down like this, right, and we started moving down here and then created support? Now we have something to target, right? So now we have some clean range, an area to push back up to, which would be the highs here. And I'd rather take my buys from down there, or at least somewhere where there's actual targets. Could even be like right here. Say we come down, close below or close right at this support here, and then we just plant a new support. I'd love to take buys, but until then, don't really got much. Yeah. Boom. Because at least now, by the time you break the highs, you go break even, and now at least your entry's down here, right? You go break even here, you just hit it, you know, so you just spent money on commissions for no reason. Where at least here, by the time you get to that important zone, you're break even. That way you're most likely not going to get hit right on the next candle if we're going to continue running. Any news today? I don't see any news today. What up, Chala? Chala. Yeah, I don't see any news here today. So I guess if you're in buys, you know, you just hope for the best. You know, just take your buy and hope gold just continues juicing. Hit it. What up, Dominic? Good morning. 2650. Yeah, that could be your target. Yep. 2650. That'll be probably your next psychological bank number. All the way up here. Is that the headline news, Stephen B? Let's see if John makes it to New York today. He was out there clubbing with us all night. Let's see if he makes it in. See if he makes it into the office today. It was a long night at the club. Glad to see Stephen B has made it. Scott, I have not seen Scott yet. But boys are a little sleepy. Let's just say we've been on a trading bender. Let's just say we've been on a trading bender over the last week. 3 weeks, I should say. Where's George? Where's George, bro? Yo, where's George? We lost him. Hopefully we didn't lose him. He's somewhere out there. Actually, I think he had... To be honest, I can't tell anymore. Like, I believe he said he was busy. I can't tell if that was like last week or yesterday. We're breaking him down in the clubhouse. We're breaking him down and building him up. Oh man, one session at a time. Yeah, so that's a good time to maybe go break even now. Just let it run. What's up, Green? Green the machine. Hey, if you guys aren't in the clubhouse, you are missing out on the MG. Up close and personal. One of the best features to the Asian session. Green, I seen you almost made it last night, though. You almost made it. Yesterday, Green took us all on a pre-TTE journey. Oh, nice. What's that mean? Was Green telling pre-TTE stories? Oh yeah, you get all the good stuff. How we all started trading? Yeah. Yup. Dope. Alright, so I would have hit break even there regardless. Those are the old stories, man. The war stories. Yeah, I'm reading Zoom. Green. How come I didn't take this? No targets to the left. I never buy at the all-time high. Yeah, if we create support and then we can retest that area, then I'll buy, but not right here. Where to sell from and where to buy, please. Where to sell from. So I would say sells below here. And then buying, I'm not ready to buy here today. I was ready to buy earlier. We took a buy here. But right now we're just sitting in these all-time highs, so it's tough to take the buys. So if we're going to take a buy, or if I'm going to take a buy, I need some sort of a pullback. Some sort of like pull back and then move up. Then at least we could target that wick. Let me give you a visual. So you come down, you plant support. And then what we have now is we have an opportunity to target that wick fill. So that's where I'd love to take my buys from. Just like this. This would be perfecto. Boom. Lovely trade. Doesn't it look like it? So since it looks so lovely, I would just have to not settle unless it looks just that good. You're welcome. Do you have any advice on how to control emotions when losing a trade? My strategy's good, risk management is good, but when I lose, I feel the urge to get the money back. So yeah, that's the issue. Like, so you're going to try and get the money back versus allowing the system to get the money back for you. So it's almost like the emotion is in a way non-existent, right? If you take a really good loss, by the way, there are such things as great losses, you know, we take them all the time. So if you're taking a good loss, there's really nothing to get like jittery about. There's no need to have an urge to get anything back when you take a good loss, right? A loss that lines up with your system. All you have to do, man, it sounds so cliche, but all you have to do is stay cool, stay composed, and wait for the next best setup. That is it. Don't worry about getting the money back. The system will bring that money back to you by law, by probability. So you don't have to worry about it yourself. All you have to do is worry about making sure you're sticking to that system that yields the result for you. That's it. That's as streamlined as it gets. Like yesterday, man, I was down. So I started the day red yesterday, right? And I was about $3,000 in drawdown, right? But I didn't feel any urge to make any money back. I didn't care. I didn't want to, force anything. I just allowed the system to play out for me. So I just waited for the system to call for next entry, entered, felt good about the position, put my size on, boom, got half the loss back. Next trade, put like good size on, got all the loss back, right? So actually ended up finishing yesterday positive $17, right? So it's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. But you don't finish well when you let emotions get in the way of the system, right? When emotions get in the way of the system, typically that's where you're going to go on tilt, right? And you're going to make bad decisions and start going, down, right? But if you stick to system and you base all your decision making on that, then the probabilities remain in your favor, and that system can just earn you the money right back. Just like the casino. Casino loses some money, keeps following its plan, makes it right back. Managing, sleep. I'm well rested. I hate all-time highs. Yeah, it gets tricky up here. It definitely gets tricky. But no need to play in tricky markets, right? Remember, the market doesn't owe us a thing here today. Just because TTE has showed up doesn't mean that the setups have to show up today, right? So our only job here is to remain an observer, just to watch. And if the market presents us with our system and it calls us to entry, then boom, we take those positions. But until then, why play in a tricky market? Why waste money there? Doesn't really make sense. Emotions are happening. Yeah, and that's another thing too, is to really understand that, right? Once you begin to know thyself, you begin to understand when you're gonna go off tilt. I always like to call it that moment. I've been there many, many times where I'm trading good all week. All of a sudden I take a loss. I feel the urge to get it back, and it just goes downhill from there. It just goes downhill from there. I would basically take a whole week's worth of gains and blow it all on like a Thursday or a Friday, trying to, with that urge to get it back, right? That just never worked out for me. In the beginning, I had a friend who said, hey, look, I think you should just, if you take one loss, you should just call it a day, because clearly you can't handle taking a loss right now. So if you do take one, right, you just gotta call it. So that's what I did, for a few months, and, eventually got, my ability to handle losses became better and better, and, it kind of got better from there. But yeah, I had to draw a line there for a bit and just say, hey, if I take a loss, I'm just gonna stop trading on the day. Negative 5K today? Nah, that was yesterday. That was negative 3K. Yeah, I ended up finishing positive though. About 17 bucks. $17.72. But I didn't do that. The system got it back for me. Oh, nice, man. I wish I was there for that, AB Mike. I missed story time. Yeah, we used to live stream, not on YouTube, but just together, you know, just hung out as a group of friends and, you know, just streamed on Zoom. Yeah, it was fun. It was a good time. It was a good time. Yo, what up, Futures Frank? Nice job, man. Naz, let's take a look. You're in buys? Cool. Yeah, look, we had fake outs for buys there. Worked out. Lovely. Lovely fake out there. You got clean move, Futures Frank. Clean move up here for that daily wick fill. I'm assuming and hoping maybe later on the day, we get the closures above there and then fill that range. Where's Uncle Scout, man? Sheesh. I have no idea, Spence. No idea, man. Last time I heard, he was going to be a police officer in Manhattan, so he's probably in a patrol car in Manhattan. Good old Uncle Scalp, the man. What's the leaderboard looking like? We will have to check. We'll have to check. Where's AB Mike? I'm looking at him. He's here in the clubhouse. He's lurking in the YouTube chat. How much is it to join the clubhouse? Just go to time2trading.com. There's all different packages and all that. Whichever one you like will be there. These are the prices. This is what it covers. Really, really looking forward to our webinar this weekend. Looking forward to seeing all you guys there. We're going to be going over trade management, risk management. We're going to be doing somewhat of a 2-week evaluation over my trades and doing a nice trade review. If we have enough time to get the evaluation done, we'll do it. But we will be doing the webinar, which is going to be awesome. Same time, yeah, same time as usual, 11 a.m. Eastern. I'll see you guys there. We got a lot to talk about. What up, Scott? There he is. There he is. He's arrived. Yes, sir. Amazing day it is. Nick, in the next round, we get a new account or forward the previous profits. Man, forward the previous profits. That'd be like getting an account on steroids. Yeah, I think you're gonna next competition. You mean? If that's what you mean, then yeah, new fresh accounts to go at it from zero. Unless you want to work a spread out or something. You got dudes taking under the table bets over here. There might be more money floating around in the under the table bets than the actual competition itself. What's up, Dan? What's good? What's good? Yo, Felix. What's up, bro? What's up? Any updates on Donvo? Yeah, probably on some of those other gossiping YouTube channels, but not on this one, brother. Not on this one. The juicy gossip ain't here, brother. You're in Miami? What up, Big Wick Energy? I mean, I don't really know. I don't spend too much time down there, to be honest. Kiki's on the river was really good. I like the steak there. You got a bunch. I mean, you got like the Versace mansion. You got so much down there. Komodo's down there. You got so many good steakhouses. Komodo, maybe. 11th hour. Nice, man. 1 year with TTEW. Oh, yeah. Let's go back to gold. We're looking at NAS here. Yeah, just non-stop. Scott, how you feeling, bro? Happy Friday. George VDM is in the house. Let's go. W. Yeah, I feel you, LeGrand. You take these buys, you're scared. You don't know where it's gonna come back. Oh, your brother joined on the ASFX side, huh? Sounds more like a strategy to me. Nah, I'm just kidding, just kidding. No, don't worry about it. We'll, me and Austin will joke about it anyway. If he wins, I'll be like, yeah, you know, TT really got you anyway. So it's all good. It's all good. If we can get a little bit of the ASFX knowledge, a little bit of the TTE knowledge, you coming first, I'll come in second. I dig it. I like it. Great idea. Just kidding, just kidding. Waiting for 2620. Yeah. Oh, yeah, on the Oanda. Like Spencer be like, yo, Austin, what are you teaching them guys over there, man? I think gold may need to tap 2660. It maybe. I wasn't really thinking about that too much. This thing is just gonna, I guess, run wherever it needs to. Yeah. Just running here. It's just going. Going where? I don't know, but it's going. That's for sure. If we had price action to the left, I would love to be in these buys with that closure above and just looks perfect. But no targets here, so don't really know where to go. I don't need to trade like so bad here, so I'm just gonna wait for familiar price action. Nice, Scott. Nice. What's up, Melvin? Good morning, bro. Welcome in. Welcome in. See it? It's just going. Just on a non-stop run here. Yeah, we'll get the standings. I'll get the top 30 here pretty soon. Yeah, we'll get Bryson to text it over to us. Honestly, feel like I got a full night's sleep. I think I'm adapting to clubhouse life. Hey, you look refreshed, bro. You look like you got a great night's sleep. Even though I seen you like what, 2 hours ago? You look like a brand new man. Stephen B said, I'm gonna dip out of here at like 3:30. 3:30 comes along. 4 comes along. 4:15 comes along. I'm like, yo, I thought you were leaving. All right, gotta go. Not gonna trade today. Need to restore my mental health. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Gold's just running here. Hey, Tamra's coming to. Oh, nice, awesome. Hey, for those of you guys that have time to plan a trip, we're gonna be doing a link up here in October. If you guys are more than welcome to come down to Tampa. Hang out with us for a few days. We'll be there. Let us know. Let us know. I think we got like 14, 15 people that are gonna come, so should be fun. My sales experience useful in trading? Yeah, I think sales experience is useful in all things. Because number one, sales helps with negotiation. Sales also helps with people skills, understanding human nature, right? Understanding the human, right? And you can use that to your advantage to stay put in these markets, to stay composed in the markets, to negotiate your setup and your deal in the market. So yeah, I think sales, I think everyone should study sales, no doubt about it. Understand people. Right, how to win friends and influence people is a great read, something to look into. Oh, nice. We got more people coming. Hey, if you are coming, or if you do plan on coming to Tampa in late October, just come over to the Discord and just check this off if you can like definitely make it. Don't check it unless you can actually make it, and you know you can make it for sure. So we got 16 people look like they're ready to come, so perfect. If you guys want to come and you 100% can make it, then go over here to meetups and put a little vote so we can get a head count so we can plan the day or the days. Gold's just gonna run here. Yeah, But if we come back down here on the 15-minute and create a new support, then I'll look to take my buys. So if we can kind of, like, let's say we just create resistance here and start moving down, then I like buys on the way back up. So something like this. Then I'm in a good position to take a buy right there, because that's familiar to me. That's what I know works best. That's what I've made a lot of money on, and that's what I'll wait for. This right here, I have not made a lot of money on this. This is not familiar to me. Therefore, I will wait. What's up, grind time? Good morning. Just fly into the Tampa airport? Yeah, you can fly right into Tampa. Tampa airport is like 20 minutes from me. Is it one day? It's gonna, I think we're gonna do like a main day to have like the get together, and then I think we'll probably do some golf and a few other things for those who want to hang out, you know, on the other days. Yeah, probably be like more so like three days probably, but we'll be doing a one day where it's gonna be like a big get together. Gotta have a golf day. Maybe we'll do a golf day. Maybe we'll do a shooting day. Go to the shooting range. And then maybe we could do some sort of like a hike. Something hard. Something difficult. We're not lounging on the yacht this trip. We're here to work. Yeah, maybe we'll do some sort of like... some sort of hike. Tough hike or something. $3 days? Yeah. I think like C Melly and them guys are gonna come up for a couple days, so. The yacht, hey, we'll do the yacht at night. How about that? Why don't we do the yacht at night? Nobody knows nothing. Just skate out. Sun go down, we skate out into the water. TK's coming. TK's pulling up. The 25th is the first day. I don't think that'll be the first day. So I think we'll be chilling probably from... I would say more so like the 23rd, 23, 4, 5. I mean, I'm chilling every day, but for the most part, we'll probably be chilling like 3, 4, and 5. 23, 24, 25. Yeah, we can go out at the sunset. All right, let's see if we get a pullback. So it's 8:30 in the morning here, a little after NY Open. Our first push was up, and now we'll see if we can kind of retrace a little bit, create support, and then I think we can go up again. My sells are probably going to be best taken below this support on the 15-minute, and if we can't get them below there, then they're probably a little bit better below that support. It's going to be a 50 pip range, so not too bad. Yeah, 23, 24, and 25. I would kind of schedule that. For those of you that can't make it, you guys can zoom in. We'll put up Zoom for you. That way you're with us. The kids, yeah, if we want to do a day where the kids and all that can hang out, for sure. I'll bring the kids out. Zebs, I would say you got to add value. You got to find a way to add value to whoever you're trying to. Basically, if you're trying to get into a certain circle or make friends with a certain individual, the best thing you can do is add value to them. Because when it comes to successful people, everyone's trying to take from that person, right? Everyone's trying to get and receive from that person. But when you're the guy that comes in and says, hey, here's what I can give. Here's what I can provide. No, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. No money's needed. I just want to do this for you. That's how you get into the right relationships with the right people, and separate yourself. So anytime you're trying to look to get involved with a higher level individual or a higher level network, see what type of value you can add to them. And if you can add value there, then that could be your doorway in. They be zooming. Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah, I think these cells would probably be best because this is where you flip on the 4 hour. Over here, you might fake out, right? So you might do some sort of a fake out here. And that would ideally be what I would love to see for buys. So a nice push down here. Potential fake out, little closure below, no wick. And then, yeah, that's our move back up right there. That's our ride right up. Just gotta get that support. We could even fade, right? So I'm open to taking a fade here, but we have to go in a bullish direction, right? So if you get this move where all of a sudden price starts driving down like this, say like this, right? And then as you begin to flip, if this is at like 930, you begin to flip here and break the high. I like that entry too for price to run back up. So that's another example of a trade I'd be looking for. So that would be the fade, the impulse trade idea, and then the other one would be the buy off the support like that. So two options. Option 1 and option 2. Simple game. What up, C Melly? You golfing today or what? Got a tea time? Oh, yacht day today. W. All right, all right. Did I start with this concept? Nah, but I found it fairly quickly. I started with more of an intraday style trading. I started with signals, really. Started trading signals. And then when I wanted to learn on my own, I went and learned the intraday style. And in that intraday style, the major confluences were the Fibonacci retracement, major bank levels, trend lines, moving averages, and little candlestick patterns. Do I only trade gold? So I've traded a bunch of pairs, but I would say over the last 2 years it's been only gold. But I am also going to be trading NASDAQ a lot more lately now in the afternoon sessions in the clubhouse, and probably a pair like US 30 or S&P. Yeah, gonna start. We've been sample sizing those in the afternoon, so just looking to get a read, looking to collect some data. Yeah, when gold's at all-time highs, I tend to go looking for other pairs. Only in the afternoon because I feel like it's a pair that works better after the session open. But I could be wrong. Yeah, so what I'm looking for here on NAS today is potential buys above here, closures above. You got 4-hour break in the highs there. You got this daily candle flipping bullish here, ready to potentially fill that wick. So this previous 4-hour with no bottom wick, right? We called this potential fake out here for price to move up. No surprise. And now, yeah, if you can get above there, you got that clean range, which is going to be that wick fill. We learned about this in our last webinar about higher time frame wick fills equal lower time frame range fills, right? So that's a good example of that happening right here on NASDAQ. So we'll see what happens if you get closures above. 9:30 coming. So we'll see. 30-minute trying to move down. What's the longest I've held a trade for since I stopped trading intraday? Probably like a couple hours. Most of my trades, I'd say, are probably under 15 minutes, though, for the most part. What up, bands? Count it up. I've been at the desk so long, my elbow actually hurts. What are you doing to me, Stephen B? Sheesh. All my G's in the clubhouse. How's your elbows? Them elbows is quick. What if we sell now? There's two outcomes. You can either make money or lose money. Kept until margin call. What was my job before I was trading? I had a lot of jobs, man. I was that kid that went from job to job to job to job. Looked at the paycheck and said, nope, on to the next. So I worked in car dealerships. I did sales. I've even done like I don't even know how to say it. Electrical work. I don't know what this guy was thinking when he hired me at top dollar for electrical work. And I had never even touched a wire before in my life. But I took the job because I needed the money and learned a little bit, but didn't really last too long there either. Worked all sorts of jobs, man. My job was just to make enough money to continue to build my business that I was working on back then. I worked for a company. It was almost like I was legit working in a sweatshop. We were printing logos on casino chips and just sending these things out like by the thousands of chips. But it worked for me, it worked for my schedule and what I was trying to do with my business outside of that, and I had to just do it. I was willing to get electrocuted for a check. Damn. My man said, all right, just splice that wire real quick. I'm like, what? You want me to split it? No, splice it. Splice it. Start showing me how to do it with the little trick, the little handyman trick with the pliers. Man, by the time I was done there, I was splicing like a champ, dude. There's a method to it. There's a method to it. Gotta use your other finger, you know what I mean? Like use the thumb. Gotta use leverage. Next thing you know, I was spitting those out like machine gun bullets, like splicing every wire. Oh my god, imagine live wire. I was putting alarms in people's house. Oh my god. Imagine if the alarm didn't go off. What made me decide to trade was the fact that I didn't have to really work with anyone to make money. So I was working with people for a long time, for the longest time in direct sales, and that was great. I loved it. Did pretty well, but in order to do better and better and better, I needed more people on board, you know. So trading was the opportunity for me to go into the markets and just dog it out and do my thing, right, and commit to it, because I knew that I was always willing to commit to the process of success, but not everybody else was. So I didn't want my success to have to lean on or depend on the ability for others to get as inspired and as ambitious as me. So that's when I went into the markets. You know, I said, you know what, I don't want to work with people for a little bit. I'm done working with people. I know what I'm willing to do. I know the price I'll pay. And so I went into the markets, and I knew it was just me versus me at that time. And yeah. And then my love for people obviously comes back, you know, and I start the YouTube live stream and just try and figure out how I can involve people in the game as well. So I always, from direct sales and network marketing, I really did grow a love for people. And, you know, I truly believe the secret to living is giving. So being able to give time and attention and value, we may not be talking about money or physical things, but value to others is where it's at. Oh man, TK's over here doing some. Yeah, there you go, TK. There you go. Use them suckers right there. Or maybe this one too, right? Is that like a wire stripper, like actual tool itself? Yeah, there you go. TK knows. TK knows. Is that the piece there? No, it's not the piece. There they are. Nice cuts, dude. Nice cuts. If you guys need any coaching on this now, let me know. I'll help you guys out. I was ready to go live. That's right. That's right. I was ready to get a spiky hairdo. Yeah, I think the guy mainly hired me to be a psychologist over anything. He worked with his son. It was just really, really just... These guys were just... Yeah, chalked, man. I'm sorry, but... Yeah, so I just felt like I could probably help him out. He basically paid me to be a psychologist and ride in the car with him and stand next to him as he cut some wires. TK knows a guy? Yeah, he's got a guy for it all. He is that guy. Oh yeah, you could use the lighter on it too. That's right. In Wakanda, yeah, that's right. Wakanda, we use our teeth for that that type of stuff. You don't get electrocuted in Wakanda. One time, man, they were trying to do some electrical work in the rain. I called out that day. I'm like, you guys trying to get electrocuted. I ain't even messing with y'all today. Unfortunately, I think my laziness was more so ambition, just disguised. Yeah, I was that guy that like I would just call if it was snowing out. Yeah, hey chat, there was one time I used to deliver ice. I felt like such an idiot one day. I'm just delivering ice in a blizzard. In this ice truck. I got pictures of it. I'll show you guys, man. I'm like, what am I doing? Delivering ice, the big truck, it had a big freezer in the back of it, so when you went in it was freezing in that truck. Just out here delivering ice. Just pulling up to those, you know those like big ice buckets that are outside of gas stations, just backing right up to that thing and just hauling. Just slanging packs of ice. Yeah, man. Good times. Yeah, brother, I'm nasty. I'm nasty at driving, man. My dad was a truck driver. My dad was a race car driver, motocross racer, and all that. So we've been into driving for a long time. Long time. The refrigerated truck, man. Has this week been positive P&L wise? Yeah, I've had a pretty decent week. Only took a few losses this week, but overall should end the week green here. Sitting up like 3,200, so should end the week green. People's yeah, man. When it comes to sales, I've sold sheesh, a lot. I was never really a good salesman though, to be honest. Hey yo, sometimes you have to go into like the bigger supermarkets. You have to go into their fridge and stack it in there, and yo, that's a different level of cold. You're up in there July, you got shorts on, your legs are getting like frostbite. It takes like 15 minutes to do. Slanging ice, bro. Yeah, wild. I worked for Honda too. Me and Green worked at Honda together at one point. Green, did we work anywhere else together? Or was that it? Yeah, one time I did the sales. It was actually during like the beginning of COVID. I was working for this company, man. We were selling what was it? Internet services. Man, that was fun. Yeah. The streets. We worked in the streets together. Yeah, selling, I'm a pretty good, like I could sell my own way, but when I go work for companies and like do this and do that and say this and say that and no, say it this way, not that way, you know, that's just like, all right, not my cup of tea. Yeah, I did solar. I sold solar before, which was okay. Made some decent money. You can make some good money on the commissions, but it's a grind. It's a grind. Let's look at NQ. NQ. I know we got some solar salesmen out here. I know we do. I know we do. Yeah, we're popping up here. Solar is a pretty big industry now. Really big. Yeah, you got 3 minutes left on the closure here. That also brings us into a new Oanda 4-hour candle. Let's take a look back at gold here because we got all these closures coming up. Yeah, gold, man. This just don't want to move down here. So another celery play forming up, which obviously we can continue on here. But it's getting tough. I like if we can pull back, create support, that's going to be my buy. Other than that, we're just going to keep mowing up. 15 starting to lose some steam here. So maybe we can get that pullback now. Yeah, we'll see how this candle closes in about 2 minutes. And then maybe we can get some sort of resistance here. Experience selling cars? I didn't really sell cars. Yeah, when I worked for Ferrari, I didn't sell cars there. I worked with their race team out in California and took care of the cars and parts and all that stuff. Same thing with Benz. When I worked for Benz, I just kind of transported cars for them. So I never sold cars. Oh, yeah, that's right, Travis. Yeah. Oh, nice. They put... Okay, use them. Mandatory breakdown. I'll be right back. I'm going to get some water. We'll see how this candle's closing nicely to potentially form a nice little resistance here. So we get a little resistance, a little resisty, and then a little push down, and then possibly the move back up. So let gold cook, let it cook. Man, no John here. He's hung over from all those pips. All right, I'll be right back. All right, perfect, perfect. 4 hour on Oanda should have a decent wick fill too, right? And then this should be the lower wick. Word, Clinks. Be freezing in there. John fading? Yeah, I think so. I think John's faded. All right, cool. 1 hour broke the lows there. Let's see if the 30 has some follow through. And then even if so look, you got, this is the 15-minute time frame, right? So this is 9:15, 9 to 9:15. If you can get 9:15 to 9:30, right, to do something like that, bounce off that zone, reject it, and then you get this candle here, right? As it breaks the highs, after it goes down a little bit, makes a low. As it breaks the highs, this is where we can have a buy stop, right, for 9:30 to go ahead and fill that range. So that would be ideal. Giveaway today? That's a great question. I'd love to, but it don't look like the chat likes to. So, you know, it's a meet me halfway type of deal today. I'm on sales. Nice, nice, nice. I ain't gonna beg. I'm not gonna beg to give you guys a bunch of accounts. We worked out a deal earlier. Let's see Nas here before the open. Oh, look at this. Nice push down. Little fake out. Potentially. Maybe a 15-minute fake out and then a closure back above, and that'll put Nas, I think, in position to really get rolling. Yeah, Ferrari was a fun job. It was. I mean, at the end of the day, it was just a job. So it's fun for like the first like week, cool to get around the cars, you know what I mean? But then eventually it does just get back to that, you know, just a job type of thing. But it was definitely fun. Definitely a good job. It's always fun when you get to show up and be around Ferraris and drive Ferraris every day. No likey, no givies. No likey, no givey. Should partner with a futures firm. Yeah, that's why last week I took this Top Step account out. So that way maybe once I pass it and get like the Express and all that, that maybe we can get on Top Step TV, and then I can make a connection that way. Yeah, because if we had a connection with Top Step, we'd have the CFD market covered, and we'd have the futures market covered at that point. Yeah, potentially we can get like, potentially we can catch their attention. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, WizBuddha, yes. Oh, Shelly sending a chart. Let's take a look. Hey, yo. All right. Nice. NASDAQ too, huh? Okay, Shelly. Okay. Nice move. It's driving too. Gold down, Nas down. Get some pullbacks. Yee. Nice. Have I took a trade yet? Yeah, man. Take like 4 trades already today. Three trades. 3. Now just waiting on gold here. Waiting on a support. Didn't want to take the buys here. Too high. Nothing to the left. Waiting on support. Maybe we'll get that support here and we'll see where we can go. GJ down. What's up, the Don? GJ down. Let me have a look at US 30 and all that over here on my other screen. Oh yeah. Gold down, US 30 really down. Holy damn. And yeah, wow, S&P down too. Everything's moving down right now. Pullbacks everywhere. Wow. All right, this is exactly what I wanted to see. Let's give away some bigger accounts. Let's do it, brother. How many you want to give away? Let me know. Let me know how many you want to grab, and we'll give them away. WizBuddha's getting the big one. You got one for him? You got a little 50, a little 100K for WizBuddha? Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, so this should be Oanda's 4-hour bottom wick. Yo, C-Mel, you ain't lying. Yeah, all you gotta do is sub to the channel and you might be the winner of a giveaway. Just sub to the channel, that's it. Give away a lot of accounts. We've given away over $6 million in accounts up to this point. In the last, in the last 9 months, we gave away close to 7 million in accounts. Yeah, I think it's like high 6. Pushing. Hey, we had some people win random giveaways like 3 or 4 times. Like what? Can I have one 100K account, Nick? What? What? I know that doesn't feel good. Yo, facts, Dominic. Word. Just joking. I know you're joking. He did ask very nicely. It's like, let me get one. Yeah, I'll take one double cheeseburger, no pickles. One large fry and one 100K challenge account. That'll be all? That'll be all. Oh, I think we have the leaderboard. Yeah, we got it. Let's check it out. Wait, this must not be updated. Hey, India holding it down. We got some traders in India. Thailand holding it down. United States. Yo, India, man. India's legit holding it down here. W. Shout out to India. Okay, cool. So this is where we may look to see if we can get a fake out here. So potential fake outs, if you get a closure back above, that leads us right into 930 here too. So would like to see this candle close bullish back above the range. If we can do that, now the buys are back in play for me. I've got a target, I've got a clean range, I've got volume, and that'll be the move. I've made 5% today. I feel like I should stop trading, but the market is just setting up again. So what I would do is I would say, hey, out of this 5% that I made here today, I'm willing to risk some of it to make more gains. So what I would do is I'd risk 1% of that 5%. So no matter what, you leave the day, you leave the desk, no doubt about it, at least up 4%. And then you use that 1% to, you know, get more gains. And if you lose, right? But yeah, that's what I would do. Yeah, take some profits, risk some profits for more profits. Just don't risk all the profits for more profits. That's you know what profits are really meant for too, to multiply. I told you guys about my buddy, my 19-year-old friend, new friend that I met at the Luke Belmar event. He took his profits every week he worked. He made some money. That was called profit. He took that money and dumped 70% of it into Bitcoin. Started that 4 years ago. Today he's 19 years old. He's got 72 Bitcoin. 72 Bitcoin. So all he did was take his profits, invested them to make more profits. You do the math on that. Go check the price of Bitcoin and then times that by 72. And then remember, he's 19. That'd be impressive for like a 50-year-old. Never mind 19. Yeah, a little over 4 million, right? Almost 5. Yep, 19, man. 19. Big up to the Brits. Big up to the Brits. Better probability of a fake out for buys? Yeah, I think so. I like it. I like buys going back up. Wow, thank you for the dono. Thank you very much. W. Thank you. You don't have to do that. What a kind gesture. Am I familiar with Q banks? Yes, sir. I think everyone in the trading game kind of knows who Q is at this point. Something light, yeah, a little light 72 Bitcoin. Something real light. Yeah, I was also on the other side of me. So he was on the right side of me at the table at dinner that night. On the left side was another kid who owned this huge digital marketing agency, and he made the 19-year-old salary kind of look like chump change. So just imagine that. Crazy. And then the guy across the table from me had just signed a major or sold his company off for like 100 million. He's also about 25 years old. So there's a lot of money out there. All right, 15-minute, gotta stay put. We don't want to see this thing rip up too high here. W Dono. Thank you, M Concept. Get some coffee. Get some coffee for my wife, maybe. My lovely wife. So we got 9 minutes on the 15-minute candle. We have finally printed a support, or potentially going to print a support on the 15-minute time frame here. And if we do that, then we have a decent range going up for roughly about 60 pips. Everything but the trading account. The trading account's great, right? Outstanding likes. Oh, did we fill up the like bucket? Almost. Close, but nowhere near. Close, but nowhere near 500. Actually, 500 would be pretty impressive because there's only 844 people here. You guys can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you guys. You guys can figure out how to get this number to 500. Why is there a skull behind me? There isn't. What skull? Oh, the bull? Oh, it's a bull. It's a bull. It's a bull for bullish. Life is bullish. Caught that fade on the way up. Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Yeah, so what we would be expecting here is that fake out, right? So this candle to close back above that range there and then begin to drive back up there. And then maybe 2650 is on the horizon. Yeah, it's a bull. Yeah, I was like, skull. Did we put a skull up? Can we take an entry for buy? In 6 minutes, when this candle closes, I'll have a better answer for you. Sell now. In 6 minutes, when this candle closes, I'll have a better answer for you. W. Yeah, 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Maybe John will be here in 6 minutes. I'll be right back. Later, Tamra. Have a great weekend. Yeah, give me 1 sec, Chad. I'll be right back. Kids hit the Quaker button or something? No, I think they missed it. I think Maverick was trying to hit the little Quaker button here. Ryan Tucker, man. Appreciate that, brother. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Friday donos rolling in. Donos rolling in. No, I'm just kidding. You guys don't have to donate. You know that. When do we take the winning trades? Just randomly. Just like we take the losing trades randomly. They're all random. Random outcomes. Damn, if every time you come, we take a loss, please. Don't come back. Don't come back, bro. Stay away. Oh man, damn. So we can actually close below there. So we close below. We close very weak here too. 930 coming in. Yeah, you're breaking these lows right off the rip. Let's take a look at that 30 minute. 30 close below. Yeah, let's see what happens here. You might do a fake out here on the 30. Yeah, he broke the lows there. $15 close very, very weak. So if we anticipate this 30 moving back up, then I'm gonna have a small buy stop here. Keep a tight stop loss right below the lows. If we re-break that high, you should start pushing up. Yeah, now would be us anticipating 30-minute fake out here. And if anything, I'm gonna keep a super tight stop here. Stop's gonna be like right below the lows here. Yeah, partials will be somewhere around there. Closed doji, yeah, it did. Closed weak doji. But pretty bullish overall here today. That could be the 4-hour bottom wick for 930 to push back up. So I'm okay with keeping a tight stop here and counting on this to potentially be a fake out on the 30. Yeah, if you don't like this, wait for a closure back above on the 30, and then that's your onion there. I got about a G to risk here today of profit, so that's what I'm gonna risk. If this one gets stopped, that's a-okay. I'm willing to bet my money on price moving up at some point here. Let me just make it a little lower than the low. The celery, because I'm expecting us being so bullish that we may get a fake out there. All right, yeah, that hit stops, but I'm expecting that we may move back up at some point here. So maybe we just have to retest that low there before breaking the highs again. Yeah, the celery's okay, but again, going against that bias there and then breaking the highs. What up, Alan Forex? Yup. Only sells? Sells, I think sells are much better below these levels here. Yeah, up until then this may be a pullback area. So I'm still down to give this another shot if the 15 kind of shapens up a little bit better. What's up, Mark? How are you, man? Good to see you. Where's Andrew at today? There he is. What up, Andrew? What's good? What's good? $30 at 10 a.m. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, yep. Yeah, maybe your 30-minute at 10 a.m. But I would expect some sort of a fake out, whether it's here or here, to move back bullish. What up, Sam, man? Yeah, the lower the better, exactly. So if we can create the onion here or get the fake out here, that'll be best. Because clearly we want to push down into this range now. That's also going to be the 4-hour lows there. Yeah, I like sells when we break the 4-hour lows. $13 pips, nice. Let's see this one. Diogo running it up. Let's go. W, bro. W. Sandman, how you feeling? You got some rest last night? No London? All right, we see what we want to do here. See how we react to the zone here. So far, rejections. I tired. I tired. Can we look at NAS? Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, you see, coming back up here now. Nice. Yeah, closures below, or closures above look good here. That daily's ready to rip. Yeah, who's trading NAS today? We'll have to sample size this move here. 15 closure looks good in about 6 minutes? Yeah, 6 minutes. Not too shabby. There we go, break the highs. The kids are up. LA is up. You should have volume. Check out GJ. Send a chart. Send me the chart. We'll check it out. Alright, this may be the zone in which we want to reject from. Yeah, Mr. BTC, I know. But what's the chances that NAS is going to wait here on the 30 close? We might. Oh, yeah. 15, 30 closures. Nice, bro. Are you starting to trade NAS now? Or you been trading it? October last year. Let's take a look. Last year's October, I think, will be a lot different than this year's October, because we're creeping into elections. So this was my stats on last year. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 16 trades in October last year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 losses. So 11 wins, 5 losses there last year. This year we should get a lot more volatility. See September last year and then September this year. Totally different year. Bitcoin, what about it? What about Bitcoin? Oh, nah, no way, Sam, man. Damn. That's annoying. Hope nothing got stolen, bro. Out there early with the cannon. I'm going to pick up 2 new cannons tomorrow. 2 new cannons coming in tomorrow. Bitcoin? We could take a look. Let's see. Good old Bitcoin. Let's take a look. Good old BTC. Yep, just starting to move back up here as of last week. Had a nice push down. Hopefully you guys got some new entries. If not, all good. Monthly trying to come back up though. Yeah, this was a good zone here for new entries. If you guys got new entries in here, that was perfect. Anything under 55 was pretty good on this drop. So hopefully you added. But yeah, it was good. Doesn't really matter where Bitcoin wants to go now. Do I have a course? I don't have a course. No. Just the live trading. I think live trading is better than a course. So we have the clubhouse, which we have live trading for all sessions, and then weekly webinars in the clubhouse. That's probably the best thing to a course you can get from me. 4-hour drive and flipping here. This 4-hour candle on the futures chart is going to close here in a minute. Well, 14 minutes. Some barcode on Bitcoin? Yeah. Four-hour broke the low. Yeah, 4-hour breaking the lows. Oof, we're pushing now. $30 closure? Yeah, 30 closure would be best here. Yeah. Because I'm expecting fake outs somewhere here or here. So we didn't get it here. So we'll see if we get it here. And if not, then I think we're safe to trade below here. Oh, did we get anything in London? Yeah, we caught this move right here. This candle right here. W. Allen Forex, appreciate you coming by. Oh, let me grab a screenshot. Hold on. All right, there's that wick fill. How many trades you have collected on the fades? I think we have I think over 90 now. So we've got over 90 trades collected on the fade. Yeah, when it doesn't tap the higher time frame target, those I have to look exactly how many, but I think we got 90 overall in total. Why not 15 minute? 15 minute, I'm expecting potential fake out. That's why. Plus you got no bottom wick on this candle here. So just like last time we dumped down, started pulling back up, we may get that right here. The win rate on the fade is, I don't know, maybe we can get an exact win rate percentage. I think it's over 70%. If Scott's here, maybe he can tally it up real quick. %76 win rate. Yeah, 76% on the fade. So the fade's been working out. So a few things we learned about the fade. It works really well during high times of volume, obviously when higher time frame targets are hit. When we get the signs that we're looking for, right, on the lower time frames. It doesn't work really well, right, when price is rallying. So anytime price is rallying, I'm going to be staying out of fades when we're going against the direction. If we're going with the direction, then I still like it, right? But if we're going against, let's say, a bullish rally, I'm not going to be really touching any fades at that point. At that point, I want to see like range 2 breakouts type of deal, right, before we go ahead and go against the rally. So yeah, we're learning a lot, you know, through almost 100 trades. We've learned what works, what doesn't work, when it works, when it doesn't work, and we're still, you know, obviously smoothing everything out, but we got a good position on our hand. You know, we know when to take good impulse entries, and this year, right, I think we started taking the fade in April. So this entire year, right, 6 months for me was just a testing process to collect data on that position. So we haven't even really technically added it into the playbook yet. I guess we could say it's in though. It's got a great win rate, but really wanted to get 100 trades on that before even going full risk, or I've never went full risk on it yet or anything. So still in the testing process. But I think it's made its way into our playbook pretty well. I think I seen one. Yeah, 2025. Yep. Yeah, 2025 is where I'll start going full risk on it. So like the fade here going up isn't bad because that's the direction in which price is trying to move. The fade though, when you're in this bullish rally, it gets very difficult. Very difficult. So I wouldn't even really like to take a counter trend against just even having the onion play. I'd rather see an actual breakout and then a push down. Music's loud? It shouldn't be loud. It's the lowest it could possibly be. Yeah, it should be pretty low actually. Sheesh, Diogo. Okay. Let me find out. You want me to turn it up? Turn up. It shouldn't be loud. It's the lowest it can go. Take a look. Can we go lower? Hard to hear me. Man, why didn't you tell me that 2 hours ago? Gee. All right, 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Just start yelling back. Thank you, Mrs. Lippy. Why don't you guys get the "we're traders" thing going in the chat? We're traders. Let's get some "we're traders" funny lines going. We're traders. We always look for edge. Another sell on NAS. Nice, dude. 5 to 1, 1 to 5. W. Let's take a look at the NAS sells. Nice. We're traders. We buy high, sell up. I'm a funded trader, yo. That kid is great. I'm a funded trader. What do you mean? What do I do? Where'd you get that car? I'm a funded trader. Every trader, I think, has almost gone broke. Actually, every trader probably has gone broke. I want a 25K account. Please explain, how do I choose step 1 or 2? Just choose whichever one you like. Yeah, step 1, the 1 step's obviously going to be a little bit less leverage, but shorter period of time. 2 steps going to give you a little higher leverage, but it'll take 2 steps. Traders, man, just traders live a tough life. We study to learn our liquidity the whole life, yeah, and then still become liquidated. Still the liquidity. Brother, don't worry about the music. Just tune it out. Tune it out. Tune it out. Just listen to the convo. Very easy money. Yep. Don't let it distract you. Have I got a Telegram channel? No, but I do have a Discord. So you guys can join my free Discord. There's over almost 9,000 traders in here. 9,000 traders / entrepreneurs. It's a great place to be. Later, dropout trader. Later. Yeah, it's been a good week so far. Been a good week so far. It's Friday. Sitting red on the day, but that doesn't necessarily mean that's how the day will end. I was sitting red on the day yesterday for the majority of it too, and ended up doing well. But this might be my first red day here this week. We'll see. All right, 15 closure here. Getting a bottom wick. So yeah, if we break the highs, I'm gonna have a buy stop here. Buy stop for me. You guys don't have to take this. I think we can potentially move back above. If we get a closure back below here now, that's when I would look to take sells below here. Yeah, 4 hours should have a bottom wick and trying to move back up here. Oh, we might see John actually. Maybe we'll see him. Maybe. Maybe. We'll see. Should we take a risk here on gold buys? I'm gonna take a risk here on gold buys. 15 closure back above, 30 closure above the support. Same thing with the 1 hour, 4 hour close. Not the greatest, but all in all, it is pretty bullish here today. Johnny boy sleep. Yeah, you can use current stops, previous stops. Previous stops are like 51 pips. Current is like 30. I'm going to use the current 30 high. Same deal as last trade. Same deal. The current 30 high. And again, probably, you know, if this doesn't work, then that's fine. I'll probably just call it a week. But I'm willing to take this trade here. Yeah, I'm willing to bet some profits here. Do I trade US 30? Not really, no. Might start to trade it in the clubhouse though, in the afternoon. Hey, where'd Zoom go? There it is. Going 50 contracts? Yep. Travis running them heavy hands at the table. Travis, how you doing on that account? Doing pretty good. Competition's going good. I think we just got the leaderboard standings here. Let's take a look. Copy. Let's send it here. Yeah, let's take a look. I think we got the leaderboard update. All right, let's see. Discord. Let me block some of this out. I think there's too much information here. No, I think we're good. Yeah, so here's the leaderboard. So this is how we're looking, current standings. So if you see your name here, this is all updated, I believe, as of this morning. Buzzblab, I see you. I see you. Oh, ASFX back on top. Unless this is your brother. Yeah, this is the top 20, top 30. Give an explanation for the trade? Yeah, so 30-minute never, okay, let's go to the 15. So 15-minute candle closed back above, giving us a 15-minute fake out, 30 closure, but not below the range there. So it came down, filled the wick, never closed below. Same deal with the 1 hour, never closed below the range. The 4-hour candle is bullish as well. So we're creating a bottom wick, looking to move up, break that high. And that's the reasons for the trade. So our entry is the 4-hour high, the 1 hour high, the 30-minute high, and the 15-minute high. So that's kind of the idea there, is that we may pop up now. I'm holding the 10 spot. Let's go. The 10 spot, baby. I like it. I like it. All right, I'm in. I'm giving these buys another shot here. We'll see what happens. Looking to retest those highs if possible. See if we could do it. Need a huge trade to be in? Not necessarily. You never know. People get wiped off every day. John Stu is in the house. Holy. All right, I'm going to go break even here on this trade, chat. So break even, no more risk. And let's see if we can get moving. Johnny Stu, how you doing? How are you, brother?
Oh, yo, what's up?
What's up? Rough night?
It's good, my man. It was a great night.
Rough night clubbing? He said,
It's good. What's good, chat?
How we feeling?
Feeling good.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning, chat.
Gems, ladies and gents. Johnny Gems.
Yes,
How
sir.
you doing? Let's see if we can get gold
Good,
to
Scott.
pump.
Good morning, bro.
4-hour
Morning,
highs
Diogo,
unbroken.
J Mac.
Johnny Gems. Hey,
It's
I'll be
good,
right
chat.
back. Give me a sec. I'll be right back.
It's good. Yeah, my bad for missing the NY sesh almost every day this week. I'll be back next week.
The man's exhausted.
Nah, I'm good.
You good? You woke up, showered up? Good to
Yeah,
roll?
nah, I'm up. Yep.
Very nice, very nice. Did you get some sleep? Nice little nap. All right, I'm gonna close a little bit of partials here. Yeah, closing. Oh, whoops. What did I just do, man? Yeah, that was my bad. I'm gonna close my full position there. I messed that up. Damn. Yeah, we tapping into that zone anyway. So I would close partials here and keep it running. I kind of messed that up, man. Whoops. Whoopsies.
Shit.
But yeah, I would go BE or close partials as we come back into that range, because we may reject that area there. Yeah, I think we got 32 pips. I'll be right back.
The worst trader. That's funny. It's good, JDZ. What's up, Shelly? Yeah, Stephen B. I couldn't stay up all the way to London. Let's go, Alpha Stacks. Hey, Scott. What's up, Kendall? Thank you. Yeah, Alex. I really just wanted to come and say hi to chat. I'm about to be out. Yeah, that was a good trade, though. Shout out those who took it.
Johnny Stu, it's good to have you here, man.
Yeah. Thanks, bro. It's good to be here.
We got that weekend coming. All right, good trade, good trade. So we got the loss back from earlier, so I'm stuck with my London loss still, but that's okay. We got more time in the afternoon. We'll be in the clubhouse. If you guys are not in the clubhouse yet, come join us. We're there, Asian, London, New York session. We're here after the YouTube stream as well. And we're going to be doing a really, really solid webinar tomorrow. I think it'll help a lot of traders out at time to eat. And we're going to be doing that 11 a.m. tomorrow. So if you guys aren't part of the clubhouse, you've been looking to get in, today's a good day to get in and be there tomorrow for that webinar. It's going to be a really, really solid one. Really solid Webby. I'm excited about the webinar. We're going to talk about some real life concepts, some real market stuff here that we've seen this past week as well. Should be good. Should be good. Was that the fade? It was a 30-minute fade, but I basically I based that one off of like a 15-minute fake out. Yeah, took partials there. So we should still be able to get up, but that's going to be your first sign of struggle there. So that's where that's why we closed partials there.
Nice.
Why do I like to take 80%? Because it secures the bulk of my position for me. Don't meet me there, you gotta beat me there. That's right.
Good say, man. Yo, facts.
Let me
All right.
Johnny off.
All right, bet, bro. I'm about to pull back up. The clubhouse.
All right, cool, man. I'll see you in there.
All right. All right, bet. Chat, I hope you guys all have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys Monday. Peace out, yo. Have a good weekend.
All right. Let's see. I think we're going to head out of here unless we got 500 likes. If we got 500 likes, then we'll do a couple of giveaway accounts. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. 500. Where's the YouTube? Where's YouTube? YouTube. Let's go to Time to Eat Trading. See if we got 500 likes. No, we don't, but I'll like it. All right, cool. Yeah, so let's take this off into the clubhouse. Maybe we'll do some giveaways in there instead. And yeah, what a week, man. What a great week here. I'm going to see if I could finish this day green. Not going to force anything, but we'll see if we could battle our way back in the afternoon. And yeah, this looks like a good trade. We should continue moving up here on the 30-minute time frame. Looks like you're going to potentially break highs here and continue to move up and retest that resistance. Yeah, looks good. I don't think we would have hit BE there. Nope. Would have just missed break even. Perfect. Yeah, good stuff. Great week on the live stream. Good job, everyone. We'll come back next week and take care of business as usual. We'll see you guys for the webinar tomorrow. If you're not in the clubhouse, go to timetoeattrading.com, get registered, get signed up. It's going to be an awesome webinar, and yeah, some fun live trading next week as well. So yeah, look at this thing move up now. Looking perfect. All right, so I will see you guys in the webinar tomorrow, right? Chat, love y'all. Mods, appreciate you guys as always. Everyone else, hope you guys have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday. Let's go. Peace. Later.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river, just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.